Yeah, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Whenever the time you are watching this video, I'm using afternoon as first because today is Saturday and today this afternoon. That's why I'm using afternoon first. You understand? I'm not making the video in the morning, so that's why I'm not making it on Sunday because it didn't have lights and I guess do the video before my system shut down. That's why I fixed the video today. So how are you? Before we quickly dive into what we have. My name is Abuiji001. Kindly don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification in case we drop the new video so that it will notify you that I've dropped the new video. Yep. That was this week. Go go dump rap. Go dump ram. Yeah, there is demand soon from daily time frame. If you can see those previous analysis by the top analysis I've been doing, we see that there is demand zone that we are expecting gold to reach. But as for now, gold is in that demand zone for now. But if we drive into the charts and see what we have, we see what good has for us. So this week went good. I will not say it went bad, it went good. Alhamdulillah. I think minus $3 or $5 safe, but it went good. So we prepare because the loss teach us lesson. That is it. Loss taught us teach us lesson. That is it. If you don't want to lose, you can't progress. So that is it. That is it. So that's what we have. Let's quickly dive into the chart and see what we have for this coming next week. For this coming next week, which is I think which is October ending. So we still have November and we still have this November and December to print out blue. So I believe so that we are going to print blue before end of this year. Remaining 2 months and this week, remaining 2 months and this week and this a week, we print us confirm blue. So let's quickly dive into the chart and see what chart has for us. Since we react to the market, we cannot predict to the market because we can't predict because in this trading is a game of probability. So we have to predict, we have to react. We can't predict. So since we react, let's see what market asks for us so that we can react to it. And 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 don't and don't forget to share this video to others since you found it useful and meaningful for you. So it will be useful for others also. So as usual, you already know that we used to look at forexfactory.com to check the news, the economic news that we have on those pairs from of those currency USD, JPY, GBP, and NZD. So let's see, but since we are trading with USD, since we are trading with USD, which is US. So we are going to be looking there at the economic in calendar. So I last week Friday, this yesterday, sorry, I was say yesterday. Yesterday we have CPI, which is inflation. I think the inflation have balanced the market now. The inflation have balanced the market now. So this what we have. What the inflation gave us yesterday, I think it gave us 0.0 point. It's still loading. It's still loading. Let's see what it gave us yesterday. This month we did not have NFP, no payroll, no farm payroll, which is unemployment, which there is unemployment in USA that now that make USA USD US dollar to crash, to crash. Yes, if you can see the CPI we have yesterday, we are expecting we are the previous one is 0.3 and the forecast one is 0.3, but 0.2 is the is what actual that came out, which is we still they still have weak inflation in USA. So they say have weak inflation in USA, and if you can see weak inflation with weak no unemployment, there is going to balance the currency, which is the currency will be balanced, but it's not too much. So let's quickly drive. Let's see what news asks for. Let's what we news asks for us next week. Maybe there is news. Maybe there is news. Yeah, this is Monday. On 20 October 27, we now have US news. If you see US government data may be impacted by the shutdown. Tentative events are subject to delay, revision, or cancellation. So let's go to October 28th, which is Tuesday. Maybe there is US news. We do not have impact news, but we have medium news. We have medium. If you can see, there is USD. We 2 p.m. we have low impact news. 3 p.m. we have high impact news, but some are tentative, while some manufacturing index reach mode manufacturing index. So let's see Wednesday, which is 29. This is Wednesday. We have USA high party news around 7 o'clock. We have federal funds rates. Yeah, we have federal funds where we still have MOC, but MOC there's no MOC statement. This MOC statement, we still have MOC statement. We are an MOC press conference. So we are looking up to that on Wednesday around 7 p.m. Let's look Thursday. Let's check Thursday. Maybe we have news on Thursday also. This is Thursday. There's JPY, there's JPI, JPY. Since we are trading JPY, there's JPY news. So there is Europe news, there is Euro high party news, and there is US advanced GDP, and it's still tentative. So, and if you can see, they have already said that US government data may be impacted by this shutdown. Tentative events are subject to delay, revision, or cancel. It may delay, maybe they will add it to the next month, or it may cancel. So since they have wrote tentative, so we just be looking on it. We still have Europe USD around 215. Let's see Friday, which is the last day. There is Friday. There is also USD high party news on Friday, on this coming Friday also, which is October 31st. So let's just what we are just saying is, let's just prepare. Let's use our fundamental analysis. So let's look into technique analysis and analyze what charts ask for us, so that we can react to it. Yeah. So that we can react to it. Okay. Yeah, welcome back. And you already know I used to start from XAUSD, and XAJPY. This is XAUSD. This is XAUSD. What you already know that I used to start from monthly time frame. Monthly time frame come down to weekly time frame. After weekly time frame, come down to what? Daily time frame. After daily time frame, I use 4 hours and 1 hour as the analysis and entry. You understand? But sometimes if I plotted opportunity from 4 hours or 1 hour, I used to use 15 minutes or 15 minutes as 4 hours, while 5 minutes as 1 hour to take the entry. But from daily time frame, if I see the opportunity, if I analyze from the daily time frame, straight away I move to 1 hour, since daily align with 1 hour, which is two time frame difference. See, yeah. If you all see, this is monthly time frame. This monthly time frame is telling us this is the high that market created, which is 4,381.72. That is the high, and this is the low here, because this is break of structure here. But liquidity are what are sitting here. So let's move to weekly time frame for our what our key level, which is support and resistance. And if you can see from weekly time frame, this is my support here, and this is my resistance here. This is the previous one here. This is our previous one here. This is our previous one. This is our superior resistance, which market has not mitigated very well. Just create, but we cannot see this as our resistance now, because market has not give us three candle. This is one, two. The next week candle we are waiting for. If the next week candle did not close, if the next week candle close above itself, that is what that is our that is our our key level here. That is another key level here. That is our key level here. Let's move to daily time frame. Daily time frame, what did I do for daily time frame? I plotted what our our swing low and swing high. Let's start from here. Let's start from here. This year, this or the year. This is what this is low. This is high. Market give us what low again, making it will be what lower high and what higher high. Market came back to this lower high. This new it created what this new low higher low, sorry. This is high, this is high, this is low, this is high. This market came back, created what higher low and higher high. Market came back to this demand, this higher low, which is swing low, and this swing low was created what give us another what swing low. It give us what swing high, which is higher higher low. And this is market came back to it. This is what higher low, higher high. And let's start from here. We have what we have here as what swing low, and here as our swing high. You already see it. Here as our swing high. Market now give us another what swing low, which swing this swing low now give us what this swing high. It gave us this swing high here, which our our horizontal line must be on the candle, at the top of the candle, very very well, so that you can know we can know what to do, and give us what this our demand. This is our demand zone that we are expecting market what to push it up, since we are in what since we are in uptrend. Since we are in uptrend and we are expecting market to push it up, we are expecting market to push it up. And if we use our Fibonacci retracement, let's use our Fibonacci retracement here. Here is our Fibonacci retracement here. And if you can see, market has give us deep what? Deep what? Deep retracement, which is pushing it up. And if you want to use this candle, this candle as what? As exceed this weak candle, which is it has swept the liquidity of this candle here. It has swept the liquidity of this candle here. This is our demand. This is our demand. This is our demand. So what we are going to do is what? To continue what? To continue the what? The bullish. We are still in bullish. Let's move to 4 hours as our what? 4 hours as our analysis time frame what? To join the market. 4 hours and 1 hour I use it to join the market. You understand? To see the recent trend of the market. And if you can see the recent trend now, it's in downtrend here. This is downtrend. And on 4 hours, we have what? We have support and resistance here. And if you can see 4 hours created what? Double double top here. Double top here. Which is there is liquidity here. Which shows like market is in what? Market is in downtrend now. The market has changed the bias and this is liquidity here. I'm seeing liquidity here because market is going to sweep this liquidity and continue the downtrend. What I'm seeing, what market has created downtrend for us. This is downtrend. This is downtrend, which market what? This is downtrend. This is downtrend. This is as for me. This is double top. This is double top. And if you can, what we just need to do is just to what? To continue the buy. To continue the buy. Let's move to 1 hour to see how we can join the market from 1 hour. As for me, this is 1 hour time frame. Let's just read the structure. What we just need is just what? To read the structure here. What we need is just to read the structure. This is the what? This is the high here. This is the low here. But there is what? There is demand here that pushes the market. This we can do. This we can do. The one that pushes the market is the one that pushes the market. As for me, the market is in uptrend for now. This is uptrend. As for me, the market is in uptrend for now. Let's see. This is demand. Demand zone also. But if you want to take this market to continue the uptrend, since this is our what? Higher high here, we just put this one as neckline. Neckline here. After we plot this as neckline, we just move to what? We just move to 5 minutes. If we move to 5 minutes, if market broken it, if you see market broken the neckline with full body candle, we just take the buy to the recent demand to the recent supply zone because market can change bias anytime to the recent supply zone which is key level. Since if we said we should read the market from here, this is internal break of structure from here. We have internal break of structure here and we have change of character here. I'm seeing change of character here. I'm seeing break of structure here. Sorry. I'm seeing break of structure here. When seeing break of structure here, let me move to 30 minutes. Let's see what is happening in 30 minutes. And if you see, this this is what break of structure here, and market has come here, and this is the market. This is one that is pushing it up. But what market is doing, market is coming here to what? To mitigate. Because market has swept this liquidity here. Market is just coming here to mitigate it and give us what? And continue the bullish. So we are going to stay here. Market is coming here, and this is our low here. Market is coming here. So market is going to sweep the liquidity and go and continue the up. Let's move to 5 minutes for the recent. Yeah. This this is where I'm waiting for the this is where I'm waiting for this for the buy. This is where I'm waiting for the buy. Since it's 1 hour, that's why I come back here to take the trade. Since it's 1 hour, that's why I I come down to 15 minutes and 15 minutes 15 minutes and 5 minute time frame to take the trade to take the trade to just join the market. I'm still expecting buy. I'm still expecting buy. This way I'm expecting my buy. This way I'm saying I like to patiently analyze very well before. I don't used to rush seriously. I don't used to rush. I analyze very well. Some say if your analysis is past 10 minute time frame, it means you are going to that's what I analyze. I patiently analyze my time frame and my analysis very well before anything, but we are still in uptrend. Let's move to another pair. I can now, but gold and XAG USD. I used to patiently analyze them very well, but another pair I can quickly finish on them. But those two pairs, you guys focus them. You guys focus them very well. Let's move to monthly time frame. Since monthly time, this is the key level we have. This is the previous higher high we have from monthly time frame. And if you can see, market has exited it. And let's move to weekly time frame. This this is our weekly time frame. This is our support here. This is our resistance here, and this is our support here. And market has given us another what? Market has given us another higher higher high. Let's move to daily time frame. This daily time frame. This is our swing. This our this our swing. This our swing low. Daily time frame. We just joined the market with what? Recent swing low and swing high. This is our swing low. If you can see, this is break of structure. This is our swing low here that gave us another high. But market couldn't what? As market mitigated it, market could go high. It just come down. So let's move to 4 hours. And if you can see, market has mitigated this demand zone, and 4 hours to join the market. You know, market is in what? And 4 hours, I say this are liquidity here. This are liquidity also here. which market or has swept the liquidity, came to this demand zone. Let's move to 1 hour. But if you can see, this market has been giving us higher high. If you can see, this is low, this is high, this is lower high, this is higher high, this is lower high again, which has not given us higher high. Let's move to 1 hour and see what 1 hour is telling us. This is 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame. Market has swept this liquidity here. Market has swept this liquidity here. You can see this liquidity. As for me, that is liquidity. And we have internal break of structure here. The internal break of structure, what does the internal break of structure is telling us? The internal break of structure, this internal break of structure. Market came back to this place, and this is what? This is another higher high that gave us this other higher low that gave us this higher high. Market quickly come back to this. If you can see, market market came back to this. Market, let's redefine the market very well for 1 hour. Let's redefine the market for 1 hour. Let's redefine the market for 1 hour. We have redefined the market for 1 hour. Uh, from here, you're gonna see you're gonna see break of structure, internal break of structure here, and here also. This is our recent internal break of structure. This recent internal break of structure here. Let's move to 5 minute time frame. Since the 1 hour has give us, for 5 minute time frame, we can see this internal break of structure for 5 minute time frame. If we sell, we should take this trade. This is another internal break of structure here. If you want to take this trade, this is internal change of character here. As for me, this is internal change of character here. This is internal change of character here. And this is internal break of structure, internal break of structural character. And I'm expecting market as 5 minutes demand zone. I'm expecting market from here to push it up, because there is imbalance here. There is imbalance here. So as 5 minutes demand, I'm expecting market from there, so that, because we are staying in uptrend. Sorry, this is long position. This is short position. This is long position. That is long position. And let's redefine it. Our stop loss will be there. this where this where we are coming. This our this way that is where we are going. That is where we are going. Our market is coming here. Our market is coming here. Give us what? Give us bullish. So that is it. We have that's what we have on XAG USD, which is silver USD. But the overall this is the overall 1 hour we are coming. So after coming here, we are coming here. So let's move to US 30. US 30 fuck up yesterday. So I think we move. US 30. This is what we have in US 30. I know I fuck up on US 30 yesterday, seriously, because this is the trade analyze, and this is where I'm expecting markets to come back. Because I've seen change of character here. I'm expecting market to just mitigate here and what sell. But since there is 30 companies that is controlling that US 30, because there are companies that they join together to control the market. That's why they call it US 30. But for the five company I focus on, the number one is United Health. United Health. Number two is Apple. Number three is Microsoft. Number four is Walmart. Yeah, I think Walmart. While number five is number five. I want to remember this number five, but I've forgotten. Seriously. If I remember, I'll just tell you. Let's just continue analyzing. If I remember doing analysis. So let's start from monthly time frame. If you can see from monthly time frame is telling us bullish. We are still in bullish on US 30. And weekly time frame. What is weekly time frame? This is our this our resistance. This is our resistance now. And this is the support. This is our support here. That is our support. That is our support there. Sorry. That is our support there. Yeah, the fifth one is MC Donald. Yeah, yeah, I've remember MC Donald companies. That is five companies that I can remember, but there is a 30 company that controlling the market. That's why they call it US. That's why they call it UX 30. For monthly time frame, this is our what? This is our support before, and this is our resistance before. But this support I gave us this new support, which this new support I gave us this remain this high. This is our previous one before, and the previous one I gave us this high. This is our high. This is the high here. Let's move to daily time frame. What we have in daily time frame, this is daily time frame. And if you can see daily time frame is I want to redefine it very well. Yeah, this is daily time frame. What do we have in daily time frame? This our we have swing high and what swing low. And this is our swing high, and this is our swing low. But I'm looking here at swing low. We just have resistance there, because this swing low did not give us full body count. They just what it just created. But this how if you can join it here. But we can see this our This is our minor swing low. But this minor swing low, we can sell it is strong swing low because it gave us what higher high. It gave us another what? It gave us higher high here. Let's move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is what we have in daily time frame. If in 4 hours time frame, sorry, daily time frame, we have plotted our what? We have plotted our what? Our swing low. This is our swing low here that give us this swing high, which there is resist, which there is support there also. There is support there also. We don't need to put anything. We have already know. So let's move to 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. And if you can see for 4 hours time frame, we have break of structure here. You can see this as break of structure. Yes, you have break of structure here. We have break of structure here. You just need to just join the what? To join the buy. This is break of structure. But let me clean this. And this is our demand zone here, which I'm expecting market to come back. But what we just need is just to continue the uptrend, because we are seeing uptrend. But if if you see market break this low, if market break this low, it has mean market has changed the bias, which means market is coming to this demand zone, and this demand zone is the one that gave us we give us the bullish. Because yeah, let's see this. This is how this is market has swept this liquidity. This buy I analyze this buy, but I didn't have I've forgotten that this place will serve as liquidity. So as market swept me out, which the big boss use my join my money with their own money. So continue the what? Just continue the bullish, but I did not join the market because I have my trading plan that if market take me out, I'm not going to force myself to join the market anymore. It has take me out, We prepare for the next opportunity. So as for now, the market has swept the liquidity. Yeah, this is the liquidity market swept, and this is where we are coming. Now we are coming as demand. Market is coming here as demand. This is our demand zone. Let's move to 1 hour to see what we can do for 1 hour. Which you can join from 1 hour. This is 1 hour now. Here is 1 hour. But here I serve as my liquidity, because liquidity are here. Liquidity are here. I shouldn't lie for you. Liquidity are here. Liquidity are here. There is break of structure here, internal break of structure here. There is internal break of structure there. If you can see for 4 hours also, this is internal break of structure for 4 hours, and this is our demand zone. Sorry for that. This is our what? This is our demand zone. If you move to 1 hour, this is 1 hour. What we just need to do in 1 hour is just to redefine the market for 1 hour. We just need to redefine the opportunity on 1 hour. I'm looking here. because there is what, there is demand zone here. I'm looking here as opportunity. Making two places like that, but that is two. That is, if you can, that is, let's say that is two opportunity there. And let me give you the three opportunity, the third opportunity I'm seeing. This opportunity, this is the first opportunity that give us demand zone. This is the extreme demand zone that market is coming. Market is coming here because there's liquidity swept here, which market is coming back to this extreme demand zone. And this is the another demand zone. Reason why, but these are the low. If he said you should put the low here, the stop loss will be too much, which will be, that is 3.379. If I'm using one lot size, that's I think that is $300. If I'm using other lot size, that I think that is 30. No, $1,000. I think that's 30. But the reason why I'm not using this low is because market has mitigated. If you see those weak candles, market has mitigated those candles. Market has mitigated it, and this one too, market has mitigated. It's only just this one that I have. This is the low. But we can sell. Market cannot sell this liquidity because market has already, we can just say here is the low because market will save the liquidity and what continue. But this is the third one I'm looking to. This is the third opportunity I'm looking to, because this is what, this is another opportunity here. This is another demand opportunity here. This is another demand zone opportunity here. But this demand zone, this 4 hours demand zone and 1 hour demand zone, if you want to confirm the opportunity, if you wanted to confirm the market very well on this opportunity, that market will not take us out, we have to go to 15 minutes or 5 minutes. If you see change of character from there, that is opportunity for you. If you can see this 15 minutes, and if you can see there is opportunity, if you can here, this is 5 minutes, and what I'm expecting is market should come and what continue the bullish. Let's move to 15 minutes. We see 15 minutes, this 15 minutes, this break of structure here. If market can come back here, continue the bullish, and if market can come back here, continue. But before we can join this market, we must see change of character. If we do not see change of character, we must see what, double top. Here also the same thing, double top or change of character. That's what we must see. But market is coming down because there is liquidity resting here. There is liquidity resting. There is liquidity resting there. Market is coming down. If you want, you can take this trade from here or from here. This is 1 hour. We can take this, and this market we can take it. That's it. That's what we have on US 30. But if you see market break this liquidity with full body candle, market is coming to this extreme demand zone. Let's move to JBP GBPJPY. Sorry, GBPJPY. This is it. What I'm seeing for this market, this is bullish, because this is key level here, and this is another key level here. But for monthly time frame is showing downtrend. This is general overview of the market is showing downtrend. This is the downtrend, but this downtrend is not fine because market has sold this liquidity. Market come back, cannot break it, so it's continue. But this is the recent trend we are going to follow, which is bullish. Let's move to weekly time frame. What do we do in weekly time frame? We just plotted our what we just plotted our key level. This is where I'm expecting market to come back. This is our this is our resistance and this is our support. Let's move to daily time frame. What daily time frame has for us? What daily time frame has for us is that this is our break of, you can see this is our break of structure here, and this is the what? This is the high market created. But there is gap here. I'm expecting market to come back down here to come and fill this gap before continue or before continue, but there is demand, this demand zone here, because market has swept this liquidity here also. Market has swept this liquidity. Market has swept this liquidity here also. This place are liquidity swept. They are this place, that place are liquidity which market has swept. Market has swept those liquidity. What we just need is just this is our demand zone. This is our demand zone that we are expecting market to come back. This is our demand zone. We are expecting market to come back. We call it extreme demand zone. I'm expecting market to come back here. This is extreme demand zone. That is extreme demand zone. Let's move to 4 hours to join the market. Since 4 hours are an analysis to what? To just join the market. The reason why I'm saying market is going to come back, if you can see, market has been giving us what? Has been giving us internal break of slow down. But this is what? This is liquidity here. This is liquidity here, which market has already swept it. But I'm expecting this is, let's start from here. This is what? Internal change of, this is change of break of structure here. That is break of structure there. And if you can see, market what? Market change the turn that demand zone what to change of character. We turn it to change of character. Let's say this change of character is valid. This is valid. This is the change of character. This one is valid. This one is valid here. This change of character. Let's say this change of character, and this is what they give us, change of character. And we have some liquidity here. Some liquidity are there, which market suppose sweat. And use this as what? As my supply zone, which I'm expecting market to mitigate and give us the bearish, because I'm expecting bearish. That is what I'm expecting. But if market changes bias, if market, this is what we see and this is what we are expecting, because there is supply zone here. There is supply zone. As for me, there is supply zone here, which market, let's see, maybe this supply zone will hold it or it won't hold it. Let's just see what to continue the this internal break of structure. Market has came back to it, and this is where, now let's move to 1 hour to just see the clear of the market. This is liquidity here, which market has set. So I'm expecting market to come to this supply zone. Let's see, maybe this supply zone is going to hold it or not. If this supply zone can hold it, we are that is what? That is bearish. That is bearish for us to come and fill those gaps. But if we reach this demand zone, just know that just know that we are buying here. Just know that we are buying here. We are buying over there because this liquidity market has shown liquidity, but I'm expecting market. If markets come here and give us bullish, let's expect this demand zone. But if markets just what come to this supply zone, if we see change of character, definitely we are coming down. But if we not see change of character, we just leave the market. If we see change of character for 5 minutes or 1 hour, we are coming down. Because this is the man zone here also. Let's just wait and see what market is asks for us. Let's wait and see what market asks for us. All this place has been mitigated with, and it has been mitigated with candle. Well, let's see what market asks for us. Market has swept this liquidity, which I think it has. If you can see, it's giving us from 30-minute average, it's giving us break of structure. This is break of structure here. It's giving us break of structure, support and resistance. And if you can see, more resistance. But I'm expecting markets here. But if this supply zone cannot hold it, definitely we are continuing the buy. We will continue the buy to this key level. This is USDJPY. For monthly time frame, we are also in uptrend. Key level. This is the key. This is the where I'm expecting market to come back to come. And this is our this is our this 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 is our this is our what? This is our support here. This is our support here, and this is our resistance here. This is our resistance here. Let's move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is overall break of structure here, and this is internal break of structure here, which is, if you can see, market has shaped this liquidity here. Market has shaped this liquidity, which is this demand zone is what is valid for us to what to just wait to see the confirmation. If we wait, we just go to 1 hour time frame. If we see change of character from 1 hour time frame or break of structure to uptrend, break of structure on 1 hour time frame to uptrend, definitely we should continue the buy. But as for now, market is seeing us uptrend. As for me, I will take this as what in a minor low. If you can see on this place, who created minor low for us, which means there is liquidity sitting here. There is liquidity what sitting here, which means market is coming back to fill this gap. Let's move back to yeah, and daily time. Let's go to the daily time. This daily time frame. Since we have seen an opportunity from daily time frame, we just need to join the market. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame, and I'm seeing this. You can see this place has change of character here. And and this has liquidity here. Yeah, this place has liquidity here, which market has swept. So I'm still expecting market to come down. I'm expecting this supply zone to dish me bearish. But if this supply zone cannot hold it, definitely we will find a way to what to join the market. We just find a way to join the market because market may sweep this liquidity and continue downtrend. We just find a way to join the market. Let's move to 1 hour. This is 1 hour. This is break of structure here. This is break of structure here. Market has what? Has change of character here. But we cannot say it is time for this sell. Let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see what 15 minutes telling us. This is what 15 minutes is telling us. 15 minutes has not created change of character from ESF. But market has swept this liquidity here. Because this is break of structure here. I'm still expecting this place to sell for me. But if that supply zone cannot hold it, definitely we are going down. We are changing the bias to uptrend. But as for now, let's stay here. But this is where I will set. This is where I'm setting. This is where I'm setting my trap for uptrend. This is where I'm setting my trap for uptrend. Market may sweep this place because from 1 hour there is liquidity here. If you can see double top here, double bottom here. There is double bottom here. Market may sweep this double bottom and continue the uptrend. So we gas leave space for market to sweep this liquidity here. Let's see our left. Maybe here, because there is double bottom here. This is double bottom here. So market may sweep this liquidity. You will see change of character for 1 hour. The bullish is confirmed. This is Euro USD. Let's see what is happening from Euro USD. For monthly time frame, what do we have for monthly time frame? This way, what we have for monthly time frame. We are still expecting market to come back here because there is liquidity here to solve this liquidity before. This is our recent trend. We are still out trend. Move to daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. This is our resistance here. This is our resistance here. This is our resistance that turned to support, and these are previous one that gave us this bullish. This is the one that gave us this support, that gave us this resistance. Let's move to daily time frame. What do we have in daily time frame? In daily time frame, we have break of structure here. And if you can see, this is where market is. This is where market, and there is what? There is fair value gap here, which market is coming up trend. But I've set my trap for here. That market is coming here. This is our demand zone here. Let's read this market very well. Let's read this market very well. This is the overall break of structure here, which we say external break of structure. Since we have internal break of structure, this is external break of structure, and this is the high, this is the swing high, this is the swing low. This is the swing high, this is the swing low that gave us the swing high, which we are expecting market to come back here. And if you can see, there is liquidity here. This place has served as liquidity, and we have turned it to here, it has served as liquidity. And we have what? We have internal break of structure here. We have support here. We have supply, sorry. We have supply here. And this is the high that gave us this supply. And if you can see, this is the high that gave us the supply. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what is happening in 4 hours. And this is 4 hours. You can see this break of structure here. This is internal break of structure. There is FVG here, which I'm expecting market to come back. There is FVG here. But let's say supply here. There's FVG there. You can see this FVG, which we are expecting from here, but let's put it here. And this is the high. This is the high. Because market is coming down here. Market is coming down there. Market is coming down here. What we just need is patience. Let's move to 1 hour to see what 1 hour has for us. If you can see this 1 hour, and if you can 1 hour was align with it. 1 hour align with it, which is we are expecting market to come here. But if you want to join this market, you just need, this is internal break of structure. That is internal break of structure. That is internal break of structure. And we are expecting market here, but I'm expecting market from here to give me the downtrend. Give me the downtrend. Let's see BTC, and we should use BTC to what to round up, because this 1 hour plus. Let's use BTC to round up. This is BTC for monthly time frame. We are still in bullish. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is our what? This is our resistance. These are resistance. But as for now, these are our recent resistance, because it has give us what? It has give us what? It has give us 3 candle, 1, 2, 3. And this is our low. And this place has served as liquidity. I'm still expecting bullish for BTC. And this is the low that gave us this high again. This place has served as liquidity. If you can see, market has swept this liquidity. Market has swept this liquidity, and this demand is the one that's giving us bullish. Let's just go to daily time frame. Daily time frame. This is our high, and this place has served as liquidity. This place has served as minor high, but has served as liquidity, and this is the extremely major swing low that gave us this overall high. But since market has swept this liquidity, let's just move to 1 hour, 4 hours to continue the trend. What we have is what? This is internal break of structure. This is internal break of structure. But for 4 hours, if you can see, market swept this liquidity again. Market has swept this liquidity, which market is giving us bullish. If you can see, the market is giving us bullish from here. But if market break of structure from here we have internal break of structure, internal change of character, internal break of structure, and this is supply zone here. There is liquidity here, which market is going to sweep this supply zone. So this supply zone may hold it and come back to this demand zone. But if you see break of structure from here, definitely this will be our demand zone again. This will be our demand zone here. If you can see, this is break of structure, and this is break of structure, which market has changed it to a change of character here. Internal change of character. Internal change of character, break of structure here. And if you, that's what we have. Let's move to 1 hour to join the market. If you are in 1 hour, this is internal break of structure. If you want to join the market, let's say internal break of structure. This is internal break of structure. It's not that, let's say, because this is internal break of structure. Market came back to it, internal break of structure. And market came back to this one, internal break of structure, but it has not give us what high there. But this is internal break of structure, which market is going, this demand zone is going to push it up. It's going to push the market up. If you want to join the market from here, you can this is Saturday. I think I can join the market from here. But before I join the market from here, I just need to confirm it for 5 minute time frame. I shouldn't lie for you. I need to confirm it for 5 minute time frame. Maybe this trend is this this market worth it to join it. But this market, I shouldn't lie, this market worth it to join it, because this is where I'm coming. Let's move to 5 minutes. Let's see 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. And if you can see, this is break of structure for 5 minutes. And I'm expecting what change of character. If you are seeing change of character, the market expects it. So we are joining the market. So that is it. Farm, that's what we have for this week. We are seeing an uptrend on bullish. On BTC, BTC is telling us uptrend. This is where we are taking our uptrend to this supply zone. We are still in uptrend. If market sweep this, if you see break of structure from here, we will come back to this demand. This our demand zone will be. This will be our demand zone, because there is what? There is FEG. There's fair value gap. There's FEG there. So this is where we expect the market. From 1 hour, if I see break of structure here, definitely the market is what is coming up here. This is where our market this is where we take this is where we take profits. This place. But I don't want to join the markets for now. And if you can see, I can join the market safe. If I want to join the market, I can join the market, but I got see the for 15-minute time frame. If I see this will serve as my neckline and go to 1 minute time frame just to see break of structure. After seeing break of structure, I just take the buy. But as for now, let's just this is confirmed buy for 50 for this is 15-minute time frame, and 15-minute time frame is telling us break of structure here. If 15-minute time frame is telling us break of structure here, see 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame is telling me this break of structure, which market has changed it to change of character. Market now came back to to this to this what to this demand zone. If you can see this, you have to this is break of structure here. We have break of structure, inter break of structure, and this is demand zone. Market has gave us demand zone, and what we just need for 1 minute time frame, this is another break of structure for 1 minute time frame. Market is coming direct here and give us the uptrend. Seriously, this is opportunity and give us here. So that's what we have from BTC. Thank you. I really appreciate. Kindly don't forget to as usual. Kindly don't forget to what to subscribe, share, like, and comment. And don't forget to what to turn on the notification button so that if I drop another video, you will quickly be the one to what to know about it. Thanks you, thanks, peace and love. Have a lovely and have a profitable week as a trader and entrepreneur, because this week will favor us. I'm sure about it. This week, you can see the opportunity we see on the chart. So this week we favor us. Okay, peace and love. Have a positive mind. Have a positive mindset for yourself. That anything you are doing, have the faith that it's going to be a positive. No matter the process is, we are going to face this challenge. So what we just need is to be keeping up to be looking the dream we are dreaming to become, because you yourself is only you is your you yourself. The life is you yourself. You are your role model for yourself. Thanks you. Peace and love. Have a lovely weekend and have a blessed new week ahead. One love, one love.